Figs are ripe and on the tree. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are harvesting fresh figs and making homemade fig Newtons. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Since some folks are allergic to fig sap, wear gloves when handling fresh figs. Slice the stem end off of each fig. Slice figs in half, lengthwise. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Place figs on parchment paper, skin side down. Bake 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Show us your support by giving this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our YouTube channel. We have plenty of recipes for you to enjoy. Also, subscribe below and click on the notifications link. This small act helps our channel grow. Remove figs from oven. The figs should have shriveled in size. To make the filling, add dried figs to a pot. Also add brown sugar, orange zest, orange juice, and cinnamon. Fully combine. And simmer 10 minutes. Combine again and remove from heat to cool. Are you a fig eater? If so, let us know your favorite way of eating them by commenting below the video. To make the dough, in a bowl, cream butter with sugar. Add egg, vanilla extract, and orange zest. Combine. It will look a little sloppy. Pour in all-purpose flour. Combine. Pour in whole wheat flour too, along with baking powder and salt. Fully combine. Eventually using your hands. Shape dough into the shape of a disc. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate 1 hour. Sometime during this hour, transfer fig filling, including any syrup that formed, from the pot to a food processor. Process on high 1 minute. Transfer pureed filling to a bowl and set aside. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe and click on notifications to know when we release new videos. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Remove dough from the refrigerator. Cut the dough into 4 equally sized pieces. Roughly shape the dough into a rectangle. Lightly flour a rolling pin. Roll dough into a rectangle. Slice off the jagged edges. Grab the fig filling and shape into a log. Sit onto the middle of the dough. Fold the remaining dough over the fig filling. Seal by lightly rolling pin over the seam in the dough. Slice into different sized pieces. Repeat with each section of the dough. The fig bar should look like this. Place individual bars onto the sheet pan. Bake in oven 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Rest on the counter 5 minutes, then transfer bars to a wire rack to completely cool. Enjoy this homemade snack. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.